Good evening, honeybees. Welcome back to Sunflower's Creative Showcase in Crochet. Today is May 22nd, 2022. It is a Sunday, and that means it's time for me to announce the semi-finalist in Connie's Just Because Lab giveaway. I am so pleased to have participated in this collab, to have made so many new friends, and to have so many new honeybees to call part of my family. So without further ado, here we go. And the semi-finalist is I wanted to be totally transparent and show my process for picking the semi-finalist. So here I am on the video getting the URL. I'm going to go to the YouTube comment picker and I'm going to enter the URL into the box there. I'm going to filter all of the duplicate comments, and I'm going to get my YouTube comments just to see how many eligible there are. And then I'm going to double check all of my settings and do it again just to be on the safe side. Now I'll hit start on the pick random winner button. Good luck, everyone. And there we have it. There's Peggy Lynne's name. Congratulations, Peggy Lynne. I'm so excited for you, and I can't wait to see if you win the grand prize too. There's a screenshot of the winning comment. Thank you for the compliment on my wig and sunflower headband. I too like to crochet while my family watches sports. Congratulations again. Please contact me to claim your semi-finalist prize and secure your chance at the grand prize. Don't forget to include your full address and your name, and be sure that you live in the United States or you are not eligible to win. You have 7 days to contact me with your mailing address. Please do it as soon as possible. My email address is sunflowercreativeshowcase@gmail.com. My email address is also available in the description box below and on my YouTube channel's About page. A special thank you to all of my honeybees. All of the rules were followed exactly to the T. There were no duplicate comments or multiple entries. That's amazing. It really made me pleased and confident that I can run more giveaways in the future, because you guys will make it easy for me. Congratulations again to Peggy Lynne. I'm so happy for you. Please remember to contact me within 7 days to claim your semi-finalist prize and have your address and name passed along to Connie so that you can be entered for the grand prize giveaway. So thank you all so very much for participating in this giveaway, and look forward to more giveaways both on my channel and surprise giveaways on other channels, because that's the type of thing I like to do. I very sincerely hope to see you again real soon. Take care, honeybees. Once again, I'd like to congratulate Peggy Lynn and invite all of you to congratulate her in the comment section down below. Remember, Peggy Lynn, you've got 7 days to contact me and give me your address so I can send it along to Connie. And let's thank Connie too. Connie is over at Justice Stitch and she is amazing. She organized this whole thing. She gave us plenty of guidance and support the entire time. It was amazing. Please follow me on social media. I'm at sunflower_fiber_fairy on Instagram, and on Twitter and Ravelry and Rippler, I am at fiberfairyyt. Thanks again for watching Sunflower's Creative Showcase in Crochet. Stay tuned for more fun content and exciting giveaways. And remember, be kind to yourself, be gentle with others, and have a wonderful day, honeybee.